Welcome to the spoken tutorial on array operations in Java. In this tutorial, you will learn how to import the class arrays and perform basic operations on arrays. For this tutorial, we are using Ubuntu 11.10, JDK 1.6 and Eclipse 3.7.0. For this tutorial, you should have knowledge on arrays in Java. If not, for relevant tutorial, please visit our website which is as shown. The methods for array operations are available in a class called arrays. To access them, we need to import that class. It is done by the statement import java.util.arrays semicolon. We can access a method from the class. We do it by adding a dot and the method name. So arrays dot toString means toString method from the arrays class. Now switch to Eclipse. We have already created a class arrays demo. Let us now import the class arrays. The import statement is written before the class definition. So before public class, type import java.util.arrays semicolon. This statement says that Java contains a package called util which contains the class arrays and it has to be imported. Now let us add an array. Inside the main function, type int marks open and close square brackets equal to within curly brackets 2, 7, 5, 4, 8. Now we shall use a method available in the arrays class to get a string representation of the array and print it. So type string mstr equal to arrays dot toString parenthesis. Inside parenthesis will give the array name, that is marks. Now this toString method will give the string representation of the array. We shall print the marks. So type system dot out dot print ln inside parenthesis type mstr. Now let us look at the output. So save and run the program. As we can see in the output, the toString method has given a string representation of the array. Now let us look at the sorting the elements of the array. So before the line arrays.toString, type arrays dot sort within parenthesis the array name, that is marks. So the sort method in the array class sorts the element of the array passed to it. Now we are sorting the element of the array marks and then printing the string form of it. Let us look at the output. So save and run. As we can see in the output, the sort method has sorted the array in the ascending order. Note that the sort method has changed the array itself. This type of sorting is called in-place sorting. It means that the array which contains the element is changed as a result of sorting. The next method we are going to look at is fill. The fill method takes two arguments. Remove the sorting line and type arrays dot fill within bracket the name of the array, that is marks. This is our first argument, and the second is the value that should be filled in the array. We'll give it 6 and semicolon. Save and run. As we can see, as the name goes, the fill method fills the array with the given argument, that is 6. The next method we are going to look at is copy of. We are going to copy all the elements of the array marks into the array marks copy. So remove arrays.fill and type int marks copy open and close square brackets semicolon. Next line, type marks copy is equal to arrays dot copy of parenthesis semicolon. This method takes two arguments. The first argument is the name of the array from which you want to copy the elements, that is marks. The second is the number of elements to copy. Over here we'll copy 5. Save and run the program. Then in arrays.string change marks to marks copy. Now save and run the program. We see that the elements of the array marks have been copied to the array marks copy. Let us see what happens if we change the number of elements to be copied. Let's change 5 to 3. Save and run. As we can see, only the first 3 elements have been copied. Let us see what happens if the number of elements to be copied is greater than the total number of elements in the array. So change 3 to 8. Save and run the program. As we can see, the extra elements have been set to the default value, which is 0. Next we will see how to copy a range of values. So change copy of to copy range, and 8 to 1, 4. This method copies all the elements starting from the index 1 and stopping at index 3. Save and run. As we can see, the elements from index 1 to 3 have been copied. Note that we have given 1, 4 as our argument, but even then the element at index 4 has not been copied. Only the elements till index 3 have been copied. It stops one index before the given range. So this behavior ensures that continuity of ranges is maintained. 0, 4 implies from index 0 to 3. 4, 6 will imply index from 4 to 5. So it behaves as if 0, 4 plus 4, 6 is equal to 0, 5. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we have learned how to import the class arrays, perform array operations like toString, sort, copy, fill, For assignment, read about the arrays.equal method and find out what it does. To know more about the Spoken Tutorial project, watch the video available at spoken-tutorial.org/what is a spoken tutorial. It summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT MHRD Government of India. More information on this mission is available at spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. This script has been contributed by Talent Sprint. Thanks for joining. This is Prathamesh Raunke signing off. Jai Hind.